I'm so happy to talk to you from COVID isolation ward 123A. Indeed, it was a great experience to live with COVID-19 pandemic. Since now we are gazing at one more wave of this virus, I would like to share my experience, and I would like to share what doctors have told me with you. So everything started with just a fever and cough, which I thought just maybe a viral fever. So I took the medicines which I normally take for fever, but in 3 days it did not get subsided. Then I decided to go for rapid antigens test, and it was negative. But somehow I was feeling everything is not alright with me. So I decided to go for RT-PCR. So in next 2 days I got the result, and the Aptamitra people called and told me that I have tested positive and I need not worry, and they're there to help me, to assist me. It's a great service indeed. I felt like now I'm talking to a friend, because hundreds of times I have heard this message. Whenever we call any person, this is the message we are getting, Aptamitra. But first thing came to my mind was I just accepted. I kept my calm. I just prayed to God that this is it. Everybody has to face this one or the other day. We all are part of the whole. So now it is my turn. But the thing was, what next? So just I wanted to go back to sleep because I was feeling tired, but they called me again and to ask with me that who are there in my house. They wanted the list. I was little first I was little taken back, because I have my old parents with me, 95 and 85 years old, and the people who are taking care of them. Then I told them I'll call them back, and after that I gave them the details. Then first thing I came to the hospital here, private hospital in Udupi, and got my X-ray done. Yes, it was confirmed classic COVID case with almost 50% pneumonia. Then also I got my blood test done. D-dimer was very high. That shows the blood clotting, all these parameters. They asked me to get admitted soon. Yes, in the evening I came back and got admitted. Only one thing, nothing actually, just trust in doctors. I asked my people not to visit me in the hospital, because I just wanted to remain isolated completely. I never wanted anybody else to get this virus from me. Immediately the treatment was started. So many injections and all these things. Both my hands were swollen. 3 days were crucial. But I was fit, I was calm mentally and spiritually. So now after almost 10 days I am perfectly alright. I am getting discharged today. Friends, I need to tell you this. This COVID-19 pandemic don't take it lightly. Don't ever think that it is just a hype situation. No, it's not, it's serious. It affects your body, it affects your lungs, it affects your system. Wear mask and keep yourself protected, and wash your hands, and maximum try to avoid AC halls and all. Keep yourself hydrated, because post-COVID, I know that most of the people might have gone through already COVID and they may be in the home isolation, but whatever it is, post-COVID is not really great, because so many people come here with complications. What they say is that if at all you feel any breathlessness, or if you feel any trauma anywhere, you contact doctor immediately, and please don't treat yourself. Just if at all you develop system, go for COVID test, consult a doctor, and let the doctor decide whether you have to be home isolated or you have to get admitted. It's very safe. It's nothing, you don't have to fear about the isolation. Everything is fine here. It was a great stay for me, and the doctors here are really great. I am grateful to the doctors and the support team here. They never felt me feel like isolated or outcasted.
unarticulated need going to come from? It's going to come from your ability to, in some sense, be able to listen between the lines, to be able to extrapolate, and that's, to me, a deep sense of empathy, right? So people talk about design thinking. I think design thinking is empathy. And so therefore I do believe that, life teaches you empathy, and, empathy is the source of success in any innovative
Tomorrow we are going to discharge you. Before that, I will take off your camera. So, how was the hospital stay? How are you feeling?
Yes,
So,
perfectly fine. Very nice.
you need to be a bit careful regarding the post-COVID.
So, friends, take care of yourself and stay tuned to I'm coming up with hospital videos, and we will be telecasting it from www.itsok.support. Thank you all.